Coucou, bonjour, c'est Cécile. Et ici, je veux expliquer comment utiliser les cartes phonétiques. Je vais aussi dire les sons en anglais. So, for letter A, comme cat. The other examples, les autres exemples, ant, as, bat. Letter E, et le son, c'est E, comme egg, set, pen, pet. I has the sound I, comme pig. Sit, it, is. O, a, dog. Frog, log, top. The short U, a, bus. Up, sun, mug. Deux E ensemble, c'est I. Feet, see, need. I-E, I. Tie, pie, lie, flies. U-E, U-E, la combinaison, U. Blue, Q. True. Deux O, c'est le code son, c'est E, E. Book. Look, cook, foot. Ooh, food. Moon, boot, zoo. A-R, R. Farm, car, park, farm. O-R, or, cork, fork, or, for. And U together, A. Saucepan. Hall, laundry, August. E-R, her. Flowers. Ladder, her, pepper. O-W, ow. Ow, ow. Cow, owl, how, down. O-I, oi, oi. Oil, boil, soil, join. O-U makes the sound ow, ow. House, loud, cloud, out. A-I makes the sound a. Snail, rain, tail, sail. O-A makes the sound O, O, O. Boat, goat, soap, road. B makes the B sound. B, bed. Bug, bat, bit. D makes a D sound. D, dad. Dip, did, sad. G makes a G sound. G, goat. Gap, get, dig. H makes a H sound. H, hen. Hat, hit, hip. J makes a J sound. J, jet. Jog, jam, jug. K makes a K sound. K, kite. Milk, ink, kick. L makes a L sound. L, lion. Lap, log, let. M makes a M sound. M, man, map, mat, ham. N makes a N sound. N, nest. Nap, pan, tin. P makes a sound P, P, peas. Pen, pip, pat. R makes a sound R, 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 rabbit. Rat, ran, rip. S makes a S sound. S, sun. Sit, set, sip. T makes a T sound. T, tiger. Tap, sat, 10. V makes a V sound. V, van. Vet, vest, very. W makes a W sound. W, web. Weg, win, wet. X makes a sound. X, X. Box. 6, facts, mix. Y makes a Y sound. A Y, yellow. Yes, yell, and yet. Z or Z makes the sound Z, Z, like zebra. Zip, buzz, fizz. TH, voiced, the feather. This, that, then. TH, unvoiced, c'est muet, moths. Bath, tooth, and thin. CH, ch, beach. Peach, chin, such. CK, k, ducks. Kick, sick, pick. SH, say sh, fish. Ship, shop, wish. NG makes a ing. Sing, donc it's sing. Ring, bang, long.